Have you ever tried to sell your course or your product or your service on YouTube? Not even sure how that would work? In today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly how you can use YouTube to make sales. Hey guys, my name is Trina and welcome to another episode of Just the Tips. Here on my channel, I help lady business owners figure out this crazy online world so they can have more time to do the things they love. And selling more obviously is going to give you more time. And I've been using YouTube as my primary platform to make sales. So how am I doing this? Let me tell you. First, you need to have a YouTube strategy before you try to sell anything here on YouTube. You can't just put up a sales video and expect people to watch it and buy it. You need to build up to it. Think about a playlist talking about whatever it is you're about to sell so you get people warm to the idea. Why do they need to do this? Why should somebody work with you? Why are you their best option? These are types of videos that you can create to lead people in to the live sales video, right? For me, I usually want to launch YouTube Bootcamp. So what I do is I come up with 4 or 5 videos talking about the benefits of YouTube, sharing some testimonials of people, interviewing them, showing people little steps they can do to see some results so that they're excited when I launch an entire course that gives them the exact blueprint on how they can use YouTube effectively. So that leads into the second thing. You want to be able to show results before you put this sales video up. So like I said, I like to interview past students or past clients. I did this recently with my launch when I had a client just get on an interview style live video with me. She talked about, what results she saw from working with me. I also had a student do the same thing. She talked about what it was like to go through the course, what results she's seen. So it lets people know on the other side of the camera or on the other side of the computer that your product or service gives results. What it's really like to work with you from somebody other than you. So then it all builds up to this sales video, right? What are you gonna say in this sales video? I've got an example down in the description box of a good sales video if you wanna check that out, but here are the main parts of this video you need to think about. Why should they work with you? What are you offering? What does this product or service look like? What are the benefits they are gonna receive if they buy? What are some previous students' stories or results or clients' stories and results? And 6, you need to tell them how to buy. Put the link in the description box. Put the link on the video with text. Tell them how they can buy. And what's great about this sales video is now you can use it not only on your YouTube channel, but you can also use it on your Facebook page or on your sales page or send it to your email newsletter. I actually have a mentor of mine. He gets more sales from his YouTube videos than he does from his email list. More of his YouTube subscribers are watching his videos than his email subscribers are opening his emails. So using YouTube is such a great strategy that you might not have even thought of to make more sales for your course or your product or your service. My question of the day for you is, do you think you could create a sales video for your product? Let me know down below if you are planning to create a sales video for your next launch. If you guys like learning about how to launch, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. You click subscribe for more insider tips and secrets, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.